Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I will show you a simple trick how you can resize PDF documents using the Soda PDF file converting tool. For example, from A4 or A3 format to A5 or a letter or something like that, or postcard, for example. So you can do that here on sodapdf.com. So head over to sodapdf.com and here on the homepage, click on Online Tools here at the top, and on the following list, scroll down till you get to that feature here, Resize PDF. So click on it. On the next page, click on that button here, choose Files to locate the PDF file you would like to resize, and after that you will be given the opportunity to set the custom size in centimeters or inches, so you can do that here, or simply use a preset like A4 or A3 or A5 or letter, or choose any preset from that list below. So for demonstration purposes, I will go with, let's say, A3, confirm, and wait for the converting or resizing process to be finished. After that, you will be given the opportunity to download your resized PDF document on your computer. So let me do that really quickly. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.